What's going on, everybody? This is Brentrepreneur, and I want to present to you guys a new topic I want to discuss on my channel. Now, firstly, I want to tell you guys that I do talk about business, stocks, anything business related, but for this new topic I want to talk about, I want to review the free stocks that I received from when you guys sign up under my referral links. I thought of this idea because I looked through some of my free stocks and I seen that some of these companies are actually pretty healthy, have a chance for a long survival, or the business just seem interesting, or I think it might make a lot of money in the future. So if you guys want me to talk about stocks more, go ahead and go down in the description below, get some free stocks. I'll also start talking about crypto a little bit more because you know I ain't forgot about that Dogecoin. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. Oh, one last thing. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps out a lot. So in this first video, I want to talk about the company Energy Transfer LP with the ticker symbol ET. Now, this is the first free stock that I received on Firstrade, and I have to say that I wasn't too impressed with getting this as a free stock because, you know, we all want that $1,000 stock as our first stock. However, I did a little digging on this company. This company is a natural gas company. They own processing plants, interstate pipeline systems, meaning that it goes from state to another state, and they have natural gas gathering systems. Now, I'll say with summer coming up, this company might lose a little bit in value. However, I feel like that when winter comes again, it may go up in value. But something that really stood out to me was how Firstrade scored this company. Firstrade gives them a 5-star rating. Not entirely sure what about the company gives something stars, 5 stars, 4 stars. I'm not sure what they graded on. However, they do say that their fair value is $18. Also, today alone, on the day of making this video, their volume was above 10 million. They also have a dividend yield of 7.69%.
At 6.9,
which is really high compared to other stocks. And they also have a market cap of $21.4 billion. Now, according to an article I found on the Motley Fool, Energy Transfer has one of the highest paying dividends in the natural gas industry, which I have to say, if you're looking for high dividend stocks, this is probably a good option. Now, in this article, I've seen that Energy Transfer owns Sunoco's general partners as well as 28.5% of its limited partner unit. Now, Energy Transfer has their earnings coming up on May 11th. I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to Webull so I can see what their estimated earnings per share is. Then we can most definitely see if this company is worth a 5-star rating. Now, according to Webull's analysts, they say that this company is worth a buy. Not a strong buy, not a hold, not a sell. They're worth a buy, meaning that it's probably average or a little bit above average as far as worth goes compared to other companies. Now, as far as their analyst price targets go, the average price they say is $10.93, with the high price of being $16 and the low price of being $8. So one of the things that I noticed clearly based off of Webull's analyst and Firstrade analyst is that this company is severely undervalued. Now, we can see here that their CFPS for 2021 so far is actually positive with $2.28 per share. Now, something more on the positive side, if you compare 2019 to 2020 on the balance sheet, it'll show that 2020 seeing about a 1% gain in assets compared to liabilities. Now, as far as cash flow goes for 2020 compared to 2019, they were down 8.63%. However, 2019 compared to 2020, as far as investing goes, they are up 29.36%, meaning that they are reinvesting into themselves, meaning that they could be taking losses right now for a better future. So while everything looks fine and dandy, as you can see on this screenshot right here, that their all-time high was about $35, and this was in the year 2015. So now here in 2021, they haven't even recovered half of their all-time highest price. So with this company, there's a lot of positives and there's a few key negative factors. So as far as long-term goes, I feel as though that this stock may not be a good choice. However, for the short term, especially with analysts' high price targets, I think that this may be a very good investment. So that's about it for this stock, guys. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, let me know anything else that I could have provided in this video that would have been useful to you guys. Other than that, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Brentrepreneur, out of here.